So apparently I'm a future, you know what I'm meaning. Like I have a crystal ball apparently, because apparently like about 2 minutes ago we just got issued a new warning. Which actually, if my dad's phone still has it, we can show it. I can show my dad's new warning. Hopefully it shows. Maybe not. I thought it would. Okay, so the warning did not show, but yeah, we got issued a new warning. So figured I'll vlog during that too, just to update the saga. This has just gotten interesting, guys. It's a new warning. So, just for an update, look at how black these clouds are. And I knew it. I knew it. I knew these clouds being black was not the best idea, but, yeah, I figured, why not? Like, look at this. Well, apparently that light's brighter now, so that's good. At least it's not like a damaged light or anything. But look at this. Look at how freaking dark it is. Like, look at this. My phone and me have been getting quite the punishment just because we want to film this. Kind of being an inadvertent weather girl. But like, again, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Towards the Lakewood area. Are you really kidding me? This is getting really interesting. We're gonna still do it the old way of we're gonna check the weather and we're gonna check out back, just so then that way we can kind of, you know, keep some consistency. Yeah, like, look at this. This is nuts. This is nuts. We are in our third tornado warning. I don't know if anything's gonna happen, but we'll see. I want to keep this as authentic of a vlog as possible, just in case if anything does happen, or if anything doesn't happen, at least then we can kind of get an honest perspective. So, yep, let's go inside. Let's see.
This is probably hail that we're looking at over towards Shark River Hills and South Riverside Drive. That's probably hail.
Dave, I want to interrupt you because we do have confirmation of a tornado from the National Weather Service, not with this warning, but the other one in Ocean County. That is a confirmed tornado. As important as it is, obviously, to stay on the other warning, that may not be a tornado. This is
Oh shit!
right here.
We're semi near ocean.
So, let's definitely plot out the direction. That's coming from the Weather Service.
Justin, look at that signature. That is debris. Yeah. That's a pretty big debris signature there. When we go back and forth between the velocity, and you can obviously see
I am interested to see what else is developing. Alright, let's go out back just to kind of see what else is going on here. Looks kind of dark. Let's see here. Look at this. Just look at this. What? What? Look at this. It seems to be blacker by the minute. This isn't good. And like, you can't even really see much past the trees. The second one I was able to. So, This is interesting. This is really interesting.
having a dinner at Asbury Boardwalk. This is certainly chasing you inside. Anything, any outdoor eatery. We're trying to do that. We're trying to enjoy that because it's summer. The weather has certainly brought us inside. This is some nasty winds over towards Evergreen Avenue and Ocean Avenue.
Okay, I'm gonna try to see if my computer can confirm anything else. But this is interesting to say the least, because we're like 15 minutes away from the shore, and Asbury's like a half hour, so we are gonna see what else is going on as far as the weather, just because I am curious to see if we are gonna be in the middle of something else. So this is fun. At least it's fun as far as like YOLO-ish. Like, what can you do on a rainy day in this scenario? So let's see what's up with this. Weather warnings. Kind of want to see more this way. No, it's not letting me show much of anything. Come on. We want a map. Interactive map. Because, yeah. That was a nervous laugh. So apparently it's saying on our thing to expect occasional thunderstorms. But then why was there a tornado warning on my phone? Please answer now. So, system seems to be moving out. Let's see here. So it's at 8:48. So, yeah. And apparently all of ShopRite had the warning too. So, I'm not fully sure what's going on. Okay, so it's until 9:30, so we're going to try to stay on the full time. Just because if there is anything, I want to vlog it. And if there's not anything, that we don't. But if you see right here, it says tornado warning until 9:30. And it is saying hazard. So, but then why show it for Howell? I gave you Howell's address, so do they think I'm closer to Lakewood? Not in South Korea. No, we are not. Okay, so it's still 9:15. I thought it was 9:30, but apparently 9:15. And it's near Asbury Park. So, yeah, we typically are the closest to the Shark River area. And we're decently close to Belmar. So we are East Central Monmouth County. And I think we're going to try to go back out to see if there is any more on this development. I did not expect the warning to get renewed, so I kind of just ended it because, of course, what if you didn't expect it, then yeah, but we will see. So, I ended the original vlog. I should have specified. Let's see what happened here. Come on. Oh, come on. There we go. Look at this. Look at this weather. I honestly would be surprised if this warning's right at this point. I feel like it's kind of more coming from this way, like more of like a southwestern type of vibe. More coming this way towards like the northeast. Oh. Yep. More lightning. That's fun. Look at this though. Holy crap. Now, question to everybody, should I just stay out front and vlog this thing? Because I kind of intended to just stay out here during the warning and just vlog this thing.
And you want some roast beef and cheese?
No. Come on. Come on out with me.
I'm making...
Say hi to my vlog.
Hello, vlog.
Alright, so it really looks like it's blackened up right here. It really looked a lot darker. Especially like within the past like half an hour, it looks really bad. I mean, I'm tempted just staying out here just because it has gotten interesting. But if the weather either gets too dangerous or something like that, obviously I'm gonna go in. But we're thinking of just staying out here until either, I feel something that's gonna either strike me or whatever. So this is kind of interesting. Look at this. We already got like 2 extensions of a tornado warning. Like, I don't know, honestly, how they expect me to believe that there might not be a 4th. But, because, I mean, again, look at this. Look at how dark this is. And it's producing more lightning than it had. The situation's really getting better. I call BS. Anyone else second that? I kind of second that. So, yeah. This is just interesting in general. I think we're just going to kind of stay out here just because, frankly, I am tired of getting soaked on. I wanted to kind of continue it, but I'm tired of getting soaked on, man. And my mom's just going to scream, so I don't need that tonight, thanks. But yeah, look at this. Look at this. Effing nuts. Effing nuts. You're expecting me to look at this stuff like it's normal? It's raining still. It's like hardcore raining still. Frankly, when I came out here first, it was a little worse, but I honestly don't know what to believe at this point, so this is fine. What time does this warning end? I want to say it ended at 15, right? I think so. So I have about 16 more minutes. 16 more minutes. Obviously, if I feel like going out back because maybe, there might be something worth checking out, but we're probably not. I'm just thinking of staying out here unless something gets like really bad or something really catches my eye, because I am not in the mood. My hair is so frizzy. Can we just like literally say how this type of weather for us frizzy girls, because it's really bad. It is really bad and really sucky, and no. Just no. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. And like, yeah. And I mean, I don't know what's gonna happen to the live if, say, another warning pops up. That will be interesting. I'm not entirely sure. So this is just kind of more fun just to vlog instead of, sitting in there having an anxiety attack for half an hour over, tornado warning. So especially since, the one guy's like, oh yeah, this area is like 5 minutes away from you. We're suspecting a tornado. And then you just sitting there like tensed up because you kind of know systems were coming towards you. So this is fun, but look at this. Look at this. It's like as black as anything. You can really see certain things. Look at that. This is cloud. This whole thing's cloud. I mean, really, this is cloud. I mean, I know I'm probably gonna get bit by 1,000,000,001 mosquitoes. I don't care. But yeah. I don't know. It's interesting. So yeah, we are definitely dealing with more. But you can kind of zoom in. Kind of see the rain coming down. Yeah. This is really interesting. Worst part is I'm too lazy to get a water. I'm way too lazy to get a water right now. I'm just not feeling it. So that's fun. I don't know. Like, the warning is still another 12 minutes. But last time I vlogged, it was 12 minutes. And I remember that was the update was 12 minutes. The warning is going to end in 12 minutes. So I wonder if this is going to get extended. I mean, they're saying it's going to weaken. I don't know. At this point, I really genuinely don't know. But again, we're trying to keep this as authentic of a vlog as possible. I mean, if you don't want to sit the whole way through, I don't care. But we're at 12-minute marker, so make of that as you will. It's probably like another half-hour video, so I'm sorry, but YouTube's gonna love me. Not really, but meh. Also, Buggy. I don't know if you saw him, but he was flying near me. We'll just make disclaimers when they come near me if they're close enough to me, but yeah. Again, look at this. Look at this. I don't know if you can see it from my phone or not, but literally right around here. Yeah, it's really pitch black. Look at this. It's really, really dark. And I'm not fully sure if I can get a better angle on this. It's weird because the system lightens up a lot, so you don't know if it's over. But this area is much darker than this area and that area. But this area is really dark. And then you have some of the areas over here where it's still kind of a dusty type of black. But then this one over here just kind of looks like a midnight black, so you don't really know. And then there's just me in the corner just kind of waiting until this thing either ends or we get something, and then I'm just going to probably either run inside or whatever. I really, really don't want to go out back, but I'm kind of tempted now because the weather seems like it calmed down a bit, but my mom's going to probably screech, "Oh my god, you're not going to do this, no. So, yeah, that's fun. That will be really fun. Come on. There we go. Look at this. Look at this. I say we got 10 more minutes. So, what's up with that? 10 more minutes till this thing's supposed to be over. Are we gonna get like another update of, oh yeah, you're gonna get a warning, or are we actually gonna like have like an end? Please tell me. This is, yeah. Like, no, seriously, like, what the heck? I mean, it seems very still now, as it doesn't really feel like there's much, but then like over there just had a flash, so, again, please explain. Someone please explain, that would be fantastic. Yeah. And currently we're in a back. Since the weather seems kind of still, and I feel like there's a low chance of getting rained on, so we'll go out back until I feel like the chance gets higher, or actually does happen more. But oh, also,
it looks like it's going to head towards Arnold Avenue and down towards Viking Village. So the north end of Long Beach Island.
so apparently now we're in a flash flood warning.
In the crux of this, your phones have been going off.
Fun. Okay. Let's see. Let's see how Outback is. Is it blacker? Is it worse? Is it better? Let's find out. It just seems very still. Like, really, really still. It honestly looks better out here than it did in the front. But then again, there's more trees, so it's a little black. But it doesn't look too bad. Like, it's still outside. I think we're gonna go out front again, just to kind of be lazy and sit the rest of this morning out. So we're gonna do that. Just cause I kind of want to. What? I'm good, thank you. I'm good, thank you. Alright, let's go out front. Let's go out front. No, mister. No, no. No, you are not going out. Why do you need to go out? You realize there's still thunder out, right? You realize that. It's not the safest out. Well, then you're taking them out. I'm not taking them out.
What are you doing, Scrouch? What is your malfunction, sir?
Cat close up. Cat close up. Hi. Hi, my little celeb. Hi. Say hi. He really liked that. Not really. That was my cat, folks. See? My cat, for some reason, wants to be outside, even though there's a tornado warning out. Hi. Hi, Mr. Cat. Why is he getting spooked? I think there might be something more that way. Yeah, it's not too bad out. It's really not that bad out. Like, yeah. So update, we got 5 minutes left, so 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So these two systems seem like they produced nothing and that they were just a big kaboom. But I still find it interesting that we had 3 tornado warnings in the span of like 2 or 3 hours. So if anyone wants to be the judge of that, that would be nice. But we're just kind of watching this, just kind of seeing what happens. Yeah. It just sounds very soft right now. Very, very soft right now. kind of also wonder what would have happened if, like, you came out earlier or later. Like, would we have been in a tornado? Would we not? Would it have really been the same? I don't know. But, it's interesting. This is just, it's a very weird live. Like, it seems very still right now. Like, very, very still. Like, almost an uncomfortable still for me, but, you know, I guess whoever's outside can be the judge of that, I guess. But I've been watching this thing for hours now. I mean, it would be nice if this is the last system and it's done, but I kind of figured, like, we'll update the Saga car. I'm so bored. I'm so bored, but I also want to complete it, because at this point I did that for the last one, so I kind of feel that it's only fair to do it for this one. But, it's very still out. Like, why is it still out? Like, is this thing really over, or am I just, like, crazy? Like, it's weird. Still seems to be Boomy's a bit that way, but I don't know. I mean, I guess someone could be the judge of that. I guess it could be either way. Ugh, I need to get my toes done. My toes look terrible. Sorry I'm kind of venting that on the internet, but whatever, I'm bored. Oh my god, what the heck? We got 2 minutes, and this has just been nothing. Like, I want to end this vlog, but I'm also kind of like, I want to complete it out, if that makes sense. Ugh. I kind of feel like going to a nail salon, though, not gonna lie. We might do that tomorrow. We might. Who knows? But, this is just kind of weird. Like, it's just very normal now. Except the weather feeling weird, so... Are we gonna get a part 4? Please no. Because I'm kind of tired of vlogging. I kind of want more of a normal night. So... That would be great. That would be very great. Please, please, please. But, oh, come on, I thought I did that. There it is. Still feels still. Like, I guess it's done? I don't know. Yeah. This is just weird in general. Yeah. I actually think I'm gonna go inside and see the update. Is there more to this update, or can I actually semi-turn this live off? Let's see. So, let's see, since the TV doesn't have News 12 on anymore, it has the regular news on. So, I guess that could be progress. You be the judge of that? Yeah, you be the judge of that. Alright, let's see. Okay, it's officially 9:15, so that means the warning itself is officially over. Let's see. Alert tornado warning. So, thunderstorm warning. So is it but it's past 9. What the hell? Okay, we're going on to weather.com and seeing what the hell is going on, because I am genuinely confused. Let's see. Tornado warning. Is it still in effect then? I'm so confused. Howell Township, New Jersey. Flash flood warning. Yes, we know about that. Okay, so the watch is until 10. So I guess we're good. Alright, guys. Thanks.